Today we are debloating and optimizing Windows 10. This trick also works on Windows 11. Now there's two options we can go with. We can either go with Revi or Atlas. Personally, I prefer Revi, but if you want, you can choose Atlas as well. And the process that we're going to do to install them is the same, just with a bit like a few small differences in the UI. First go to a web browser and search up Revios. Enter the website, scroll down, and press download Revios. Now you download the AME Wizard tool, which is basically the thing that's going to be modifying the operating system. Afterwards, you have to install the playbook, which is basically the setup for the AME Wizard. Unfortunately, as I found out here, you have to use Chrome Incognito to download the playbook. So we're going to try to do it on Chrome now. As we can see now, we are in Chrome. We have to enter incognito mode. We do the same steps and go to the download site and try to download the playbook. Now select the Revios download playbook option, which is the white one. Now scroll down to the bottom. In the press the blue button after it says generate link. Once it says link generated, click on it. Now scroll down once more and press download now. Here I recommend you select the downloads folder. It's going to make the installation easier, and then press save. And now it's downloading. Now that the files have been downloaded, we go to the download folder and open the AME Wizard. But basically it's going to ask you if you wish to allow this app to make changes to your device. Here you have to press accept. Now go to the folder where the playbook has been downloaded and drag and drop it to the AME Wizard. Now we disable Windows Defender because to make changes to the operating system, it has to be disabled. To do this, we press the Run Action button. Then we press the Open Defender. Then we toggle off the switches. Now we close this window. We press Next. Now we plug in our PC. Then we press this button. I just realized now that there are updates pending in the background, which is stopping the AME Wizard from working. A pending update basically means that there's a update half downloaded or downloaded but not installed yet. You are going to have to complete these updates to continue with the AME Wizard. I'm back, and as you can see, the updates have finished installing. Now to continue the Revi OS, we click this button. Now it is giving us configuration options, which basically means the settings of your operating system. You should read through the options and personalize it to your liking. But if you want, you can just follow my configuration. In my opinion, it's pretty good. This part may take a while. It might take 30 minutes to 1 hour at most. The playbook has been installed. As you can see, the default wallpaper has changed. And to make sure that the installation has worked, there's multiple ways to check. But the best way to check is to right click the Windows button, then choose Run, then type msconfig, and then press Enter. Now select the boot tab on the from the top. And as you can see on the operating system, it says that it's running Atlas OS instead of Windows, which means that the installation has worked. Another simpler way to find out if the installation has worked or not is to check the apps that are installed on the PC, because the playbook installation, they remove all the bloatware to make it faster, which means that all the junk is removed, including the useless apps that Microsoft includes to make more money. On my PC, it may seem like it hasn't worked, but it did. It just looks like that because I had apps installed before the um, playbook installation. Oh, and another thing about this is that you don't have to worry about the data, because most of the times the data remains just fine after the playbook installation. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps out a ton.